In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube TV in Zen mode, a feature that provides a cleaner, distraction-free viewing experience. Let's get started. Zen mode is perfect for focusing on your favorite shows, live streams, or sports without the clutter of menus and notifications. To enable Zen mode, start by opening the YouTube TV app or website and signing into your account. Begin playing any video or live stream. Once the video is running, look for the Settings icon, Gear icon, in the Playback controls. Click on it and you'll see an option labeled Zen Mode or Theater Mode, depending on your device. Select this option to expand the video player and hide unnecessary interface elements like the sidebar or guide. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device, Zen Mode may automatically activate when you enter full-screen playback. Simply press the full screen button, usually represented by two diagonal arrows, on your remote to maximize the video and reduce distractions. Some devices also allow you to dim the lights or adjust the screen settings for an even more immersive experience. For users who want to enhance their Zen mode experience further, consider pairing your setup with external features like dark mode on your TV or device. This reduces glare and creates a more cinematic atmosphere. Additionally, if you're watching late at night, lowering the brightness or enabling night mode can make viewing more comfortable. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on customizing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope watching YouTube TV in Zen mode helps you enjoy your content with fewer distractions. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.